Let's take a quick look at absolute value. So absolute value is simply the distance between a number and 0. So I've got this number line set up for us, right? And it's showing us two different points. So we've got the point -3 and the point +3. Now you'll notice both of these numbers are 3 units away from 0, right? -3 is 3 units away from 0, and +3 is 3 units away from 0. So both of these numbers have the same absolute value. The absolute value of -3, written like this here, is equal to 3, and the absolute value of +3 is equal to 3. So we can show the absolute value for any number, right? We'll write with these vertical lines like this. So the absolute value for -5 would be equal to 5. So you'll notice, right, even without graphing, you can figure out pretty quickly the absolute value for any number is simply that number without any sign attached. So the absolute value of +7, or just simply 7, is 7. The absolute value of -83 is 83. And this is the absolute value. Now, if we wanted to compare or order values, for example, if we wanted to compare 2 and the absolute value of -5, right, which is greater, 2 or the absolute value of -5? Well, we know that the absolute value of -5 would be 5, so we're comparing 2 and 5, and we know that 2 is less than 5. If we wanted to compare the absolute value of 3.5 and -1, well, the absolute value of 3.5 is 3.5. So we're comparing 3.5 and -1, and we know that a positive number is always greater than a negative number. And that is a very quick look at absolute value.